Welcome to Boating Journey. After taking time away to visit family last week, this week we're back with a new boat tour. This is Swedeheart, a 2022 Sirena 58. Swedeheart has an LOA of 61 feet, a beam of 17 feet 7 inches, and draws a draft of only 4 feet 2 inches. With 3 staterooms, including a uniquely set up forward primary, and 2 heads, she has plenty of comfortable space for 6. Her dual Volvo Penta D13 engines will get up and go at a top speed of 26 knots, but will cruise nicely at 20 knots. At press time, Swedeheart's asking price is $1,995,000. Let's check out this offering from one of Turkey's top shipbuilders. Welcome to Boating Journey. I'm Scott and she's Allie. We own 2 boats in the Pacific Northwest, but have recently found ourselves boatless after moving to southern Florida. We moved to be closer to different boating opportunities in the Caribbean, our favorite boating destination. Our goals are to explore the Florida waters, bring you some new boat tours, and hopefully find our next boat. So come along and follow us on our boating journey. Before we get started, if you haven't done so already, please hit the subscribe button and notification bell. It really helps us with the YouTube algorithm, and we really appreciate your support. We board Swedeheart by stepping upon the massive hydraulic swim deck that doubles as a parking spot for your tender. In addition, you have access to the engine room via the transom door. Now, taking a few steps up along the port side, we find the spacious, fully covered aft deck. To port, there is built-in storage, an electric winch, and docking cleat. And as we walk across the 17-foot beam, we find mirrored storage, another winch, and docking cleat to starboard. Here we have a conveniently located barbecue with fridge and ice maker tucked below to help you prepare your meal to eat at the table set for 6. Additionally, there are dock side entrances, here to port, and again here to starboard. Now as we move forward along starboard, we find a wide walkway with high gunnels for safety and a pilot door to access the interior. At the bow, we have a single windlass anchor setup with storage lockers to either side. There's a large adjustable sun pad that I think can accommodate everyone on board, along with a cozy love seat for taking in the sunset. I tried opening this hatch thinking it was storage, but it appeared to be locked, but we'll have more on this later. So one last look at the bow before heading aft along the port side so we can check out the Flybridge. The stairs to the Flybridge are comfortable and not too steep. The Flybridge has plenty of space and some unique features making entertaining and cruising a breeze. First, we have a retractable shade and top to protect you or allow the sun to come in. Here we have a cabinet with lots of storage below. This is a great staging area for snacks or a bar. The portside helm station features Garmin electronics and throttle, joystick, and thruster controls. You can check out all the specs at the end. And the view from behind the wood-trimmed wheel and through all the clear isinglass is second to none. To starboard, we have another sun pad from which to enjoy the cruise and a table and seating for al fresco dining. Stepping to the back of the upper deck, we find plenty of room to add more seating or even dancing. Here we also find the second outdoor barbecue, this time with a built-in sink with storage and fridge below. And finally, there's something I've only seen on a few other yachts, and that is a rain shower head outdoor shower with hand wand as well. It's a very neat feature, although I'm not sure when or why you may use this on the upper deck. What do you think of this? Leave your comments down below. Now let's head back down to check out the interior. The first thing I noticed is the welcomed air conditioning. And second, the galley immediately to starboard, where there is upper storage, a 4-burner induction cooktop, convection oven microwave, dishwasher, sink, and full-sized fridge and freezer with the electrical panel directly next to it. Taking a few steps up and forward, we have multiple seating options to port and starboard, which includes a folding adjustable table. The interior helm station is located forward and to port. Overall, the galley salon space is well laid out and relaxing. Here we see the pilot door, which we initially walked by on the outside. Now let's go check out where we're going to sleep. And this is where we will find one of the more unique primary suites I've seen. It's kind of set up like a reverse V-berth, and it shares access to the day head. That said, both the head and the stateroom can be closed off for complete privacy. It has a queen bed, which lifts up for storage below, and forward of the bed are 2 chairs, a table desk, and built-in TV. There is storage to starboard, additionally next to the bed, under the bed, and to port. Quickly stepping through the head, we have a sink, toilet, and shower. And moving aft down the hall, the full beam space has been split into 2 staterooms. 1 twin to port with hanging locker, 2 single beds, and TV. And across the hall is the VIP with queen bed, hanging locker, and ensuite with shower, toilet, and single sink vanity. And remember that hatch I couldn't open on the bow? It is accessed here from the primary. Go figure. Overall, I think this is a really nice boat that can be handled by a couple or crewed by a captain. What do you think? Can this sweetheart be your sweetheart? Leave your comments below. I hope you like this tour. Please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. Thanks again for all your support, and we'll see you next time.